Hello everyone, I'm Nathan Reddy from ECB section. Today I like to describe about the topic process of compiling and running a C program. Compiling a C program is a multi-stage process at an overview level. The process can be split into four separate stages: preprocessing, compilation, assembly, and linking. In this post, I will talk through each of four stages of compiling the following C program. First is processing, preprocessing. The first stage of compilation is called preprocessing. In this stage, lines starting with a as character are interpreted by the preprocessor as a preprocessor commands. These commands from a simple macro language with its own syntax and semantics. This language is used to reduce repetitions in coarse code by providing functionality to inline files, define macros, and to conditionally omit code. Before interpreting commands, the preprocessor does some same initial processing. This includes joining continued lines ended with a and skipping comments. To print the results of preprocessing stage, pass the E option to CC. Give the hello world example above. The preprocessor will produce the content of studio.h header file joined with the content of hello world C file, stripped free from its leading environment. And extend into here is an example for an preprocessing. Next process is compilation. The second stage of compilation is confusingly enough called compilation. In this stage, the preprocessed code is translated to assembly instructions specific to the target preprocessor architecture. This forms an intermediate human-readable language. The existence of steps allows for C code to contain inline assembly instructions and for different assembly to be used. Some compilers also support the use of integrated assembler in which the compilation stage generates machine code directly, avoiding the overhead of generating the intermediate assembly instructions and invoking the assembler. To save the result of compilation stage, pass the S option to CC. This will create a file named helloworld.s containing the generated assembly instructions and Mac OS. Where CC is an alias for C language, the following output is generated. Section text, regular pure instructions, macros version and minimum. There are 6 stages of compiling a program: lexical analysis, symbol table construction, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, code generation, and optimization. Compile C program in command prompt. Run a command gcc to check if you have a compiler installed. Create a C program and store it in your system. Change the working directory to where you have your C program. Example CD desktop. The next step is to compile the program. And third one is assembly. Assembler in C programming is defined as a program that converts assembly language into machine code. It just converts assembly language or low-level code into machine codes that could be better recognized by specific type of preprocessor. During this stage, an assembler is used to translate the assembly instructions to object code. The output consists of actual instructions to be run by a target processor. To save the result of assembly stage, pass the C options to CC. Running the above command will create a file named helloworld.o containing the object code of program. The contents of this file is in binary format and can be specified using hexadump or odd by running either one of the following commands: hexdump allow underscore wall.o or -c allow underscore wall.o. Linking. The object code generated in the assembly stage is composed of machine instructions that the processor understands, but some pieces of preprocessors are out of order or missing. To produce an executable program, the existing pieces have to be rearranged and the missing ones filled in. This process is called linking. The linker will arrange the pieces of object code so that function in some species can successfully call functions in other. It will allow the pieces containing the instructions for library functions used by the program. In this case of hello world program, the linker will add the object code for the push function. The result of this stage is the final executable program When run without option CC, name this file a output to name of the file something else. Pass the option to CC. Thinking is the final stage of C code building. It takes one or more object files or libraries as input and combine them to produce a single usually executable file. How is C program run? Whenever a program file is compiled and executed, the compiler generates some files with the same name as that of C program file, but with different extensions. C is called a source file, which gives the code to the program. Now, when we compile the file, the C compiler looks for errors. Thank you.